Are you someone who is looking to prepare for KAS exam and don't know where to start the preparation? So here is the first place where you need to start preparation exactly from the KAS syllabus. Okay. So today in this video, I'm going to explain you what is the KPSC KAS syllabus according to the latest government exam notification. Okay. So whatever we are going to discuss in this video is of the latest trend that has been given by government, and it is the latest information. Okay, so let's start. So see, first of all, KPSC KS exam is conducted into three stages. Okay, the first one being is preliminary exam, which we also call as prelims exam. Okay, this exam is usually objective type, that is MCQ. Means what? There is going to be one question and it is going to have four options. Okay, so this is your MCQ format and you have to select the right answer. Okay, so this is going to be usually a qualifying round where you have to score certain number of scores to qualify that prelim stage. This qualifying marks is usually decided again by the KPSC Commission, and it will usually be updated by the government, that is KPSC, on their site. Okay, so just to stay updated, we have to refer to the latest notification, because what happens, sometimes the KPSC Commission makes sometimes changes into the qualifying marks or papers, so always we have to refer that year's notification or any changes that has been mentioned by the KPSC. Okay, so I hope till here it's clear. So after this, the students who clear prelims exam, they are called for the mains exam. Okay, so what is the mains exam? Mains exam, like the name itself suggests, it is a mains. Mains means these are the main marks which are going to decide whether you are going to go for interview or you are going to get a rank in merit or no. Okay, the mains usually has 7 papers. Okay, essay, descriptive type. Now what is descriptive type? So see, what is descriptive is nothing but where you have to write answer. Okay, right answer means what? Suppose if I give you, write about the agricultural issues of Karnataka. Okay, Karnataka. So agricultural issues means what? Agricultural problems of Karnataka. So you have to write an essay on this. Okay, so this is not going to be MCQ based. Here you have to write proper essay, 1 page, 2 page, depending on the marks that they have given and the word limit that UPSC has set for. Okay, so this is going to be the written paper. I hope till here it's clear. Okay, now once you write all the 7 papers which are held on the different days, then if you clear this, then you're called for interview. You are in the main stage, you're required to get certain expected marks. Okay, then once you get good marks here in main stage, you're next called for an interview round. Okay, what is interview, guys? Interview is nothing but personality test. Interview is also called as PT test, which is nothing but test of your personality or personality test. Okay, so broadly if we see, these are 3 stages: prelims, mains and interview. Okay, now let me clear one small doubt here. See here, in mains they ask you to write what are the agricultural problems of Karnataka. In interview they ask you orally, that means you have to answer to the interviewing panel. Okay, what are the agricultural problems of Karnataka? Okay, now let's discuss in detail what are the rounds and everything into the depth. Okay, so KPSC KS Prelims Syllabus. So KPSC Syllabus 2024 for the prelims paper is as follows. Now let's see. So guys, here one more doubt. So see here they have given 2024, right? So this is the as per the latest information that is displayed by the KPSC on their website. Okay, so no changes has been made. So whatever is the latest information they have put on their website, we are referring here. Okay, so next one is in prelims paper. What will be there? There are 2 papers. Okay, 2 papers. What are they? First one is, let's see the pattern. there are 100 objective types of question, which is nothing but MCQs. Okay, now you have to answer 100 MCQ questions, and here you will be having 0.25 marks negative marking. Okay, so yes, it has negative marking, so we have to be careful whenever we are trying to answer these questions. And it is going to be 2 hour exam duration. How many hours? 2 hour exam duration. Okay, now let's see the syllabus. So for the paper 1, they have told we are going to take general studies. In general studies, national and international importance. So see here, Karnataka, as you all know, is a part of India, right? So you are expected as a candidate to know what are the national issues, that means issues that are important for India, as well as international important issues. Okay, like you have defense issues, that means what are the problems with our neighbors, how we are dealing with them, what are water disputes, so on and so forth. So relating to the India problems and its relations with international, I mean neighboring countries, you are going to get 80 marks questions. Okay, next, there is something called as humanities. In humanities means what? Social sciences, like you know, problems of our Indian society as well as Karnataka, mostly India. Okay, what are the problems of Indian society, geography, so all those things come here. Okay, humanities, so this is going to be of 120 marks. Okay, so broadly, if I want to say you, in paper 1 we are going to get questions of India. Okay, India, because it is important that if an officer is there, he must know about his country India. Okay, now let's talk about paper 2. In paper 2 again, there are going to be 100 objective type of questions, 2 marks each, 0.25 marks negative marking, same, and it is going to be 2 hour exam duration, not 3 hours. Okay, 2 hour. Now let's see here. Here you see general studies. Can you see here? Here also they have given general studies. Here also general studies, but here we are going to speak about state importance. What is our state, students? We are going to be studying about Karnataka, because we live in a Karnataka state and we are writing this exam for Karnataka. So we have to know everything about Karnataka. Okay, what is important issues for Karnataka? What is going on in Karnataka? What are the problems existing in various sectors? So this is going to be of 80 marks again. Okay, as you can see, it is going to be 80 marks. Then next important section is going to be general science and technology, environment and ecology. From the past 5-year trend, you can see that government, that is KPSC, has been continuously putting questions about general science and technology and environment and ecology. Why? Because both the things are important for the development of Karnataka. Okay, so they just want to know that candidate must know what is going on in Karnataka and what are the important issues. So this is going to be of 60 marks. Okay, so let's see the next part. There is something called as general mental ability, GMA, or general mental ability. Here you can expect questions about the data interpretation, maths part, as well as some reasoning part. Okay, so in simple words, it is kind of a maths. Okay, so that you will get questions around 60 marks. So that is for paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, now this was the exam pattern. Okay, now let's see in detail. In this video I'll be explaining you prelims paper 1 and paper 2 in depth. Okay, then I'll be making another video where I'll be putting about the main syllabus. Okay, so let's see detailed KPSC KS syllabus for prelims paper 1. So here, as you can see, first part in prelims paper 1, like we know, they are going to ask about India, na? So they are going to ask you about current affairs, national and international importance, Indian history, broad understanding of cultural, social, political and economic aspects, special emphasis on Karnataka state, focus on Indian national movement, then Indian and world geography, focus on Indian and world geography, special emphasis on geography of Karnataka, polity, Indian economy, Indian political system and economic reforms. Okay, So as we can see here, like the paper itself says, it is general studies, right? So all the things generally are important for Karnataka and India. They are going to ask. Okay. Now what is that? It can be your geography, history, polity, and you've got economy, and so on and so forth. Okay. So all these things are going to be covered. Then, rural development and poverty alleviation, social sector initiatives. So, what is this? These are nothing but schemes, programs, rules, regulations that are made by government to reduce poverty, okay, and to socially empower the backward classes. So, I hope you're understanding this paper 1 syllabus. More we will be understanding in the upcoming classes, okay. Next one, as you can see, the next one is paper 2. In paper 2, like I told you, here the focus will be of Karnataka mostly, because this paper is conducted by Karnataka state. Okay, so the first one is current affairs state of Karnataka, any new developments or current problems existing in the system of Karnataka. It can be economic problems, agricultural problems, political problems, educational problems, so on and so forth. Okay, important state government schemes, general science and technology, environment and ecology, climate change and health. Climate change is one of the hot area because a lot of questions are being asked from here. Environment and climate change, these two sections are very very important. Next is your science and tech, very important. If you see 5 to 10 years of question paper trend, these questions have been continuously coming. General mental ability, general mental ability, and we have got basic numeracy. Okay, data interpretation. This part, can you see this 7 8 9 10? This is going to be maths part, which is nothing but your GMA. Okay, so let's see basic numeracy, data interpretation, data sufficiency, charts, tables and graphs. Okay, then it is going to be logical reasoning and analytical ability and comprehension. So this part is going to be combined, your maths part, and it is also going to have reasoning, and it's also going to have your English part, which is nothing but your comprehension. So overall this thing is like your CSAT paper of UPSC prelims paper 2. Okay, maths part is given here. So I hope you have understood the syllabus for prelims in depth. So in WinFirst Academy, we do help students who want coaching for all the subjects. If you are someone who is preparing for KPSC KS exams and don't know where to start, so you can start from the KPSC syllabus, which is okay. If you're someone who's looking to start this KPSC KS preparation, you can visit WinFirst Academy because we offer here coaching for this exam in depth. Okay, what all will be providing? We'll be providing you everything that will help you with respect to this exam for your preparation. Preparation for KPSC KS exam is a long journey. Okay, and to begin with, you can start with WinFirst Academy, your partner for KPSC KS. We will be providing you detailed in-depth guidance for how to prepare for this exam, which is long and lengthy in the process by itself. We do cover the NCRT's syllabus, 5-year question papers, and we also provide more than 100 test series for this exam. So everything that you need for your preparation. So that's about WinFirst Academy. In the next video, I'll be completing the mains syllabus. Okay, so this is a part 1 of the video. Please watch part 2 for the complete information about the KPSC KS mains exam syllabus. Okay, Thank you so much. Have a good day.